Welcome to Ctube. In this video, we introduce our UL-listed and CSA certified products designed for high standards of safety and quality electrical installation.
Let's take a closer look at our conduit options. We offer UL-listed for Schedule 40, Schedule 80 conduits to meet a variety of project needs.
We provide UL 651 listed electrical conduit coming different sizes and types,
including Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 with sizes ranging from half to 8 inches. Schedule 40 PVC conduit has a thinner wall and is suitable for most residential, commercial, and light industrial electrical installations. Schedule 80 PVC conduit has a thicker wall, providing increased strength and durability. It's commonly used in industrial and commercial applications where there is a need for extra protection against harsh conditions or higher pressures. Each conduit is made to exact specifications, including outer diameter, inner diameter, and wall thickness, ensuring compliance with UL-listed. In addition to the products we are showing today, we also have the very popular CSA certified Schedule 40 and DB2 conduit. All these products are very popular in the US and Canada market. They are sturdy, durable, and used in a wide range of applications.
Almost all the products will accept customization for sizes, colors, and diameters. If you have project requirements, please contact us. For more information, visit our website